Hi guys, this is Neha from Enchanting Tarot and I welcome you to this new video where I'm going to share about powerful words that impact your manifestations, especially when people are healing. Okay, so I want to bring light into this new topic where how words affect your health, especially in this pandemic. Okay, now in this pandemic हम देख रहे हैं कि लोग बहुत अपनी हेल्थ के साथ जूझ रहे हैं, वो तकलीफ में हैं, कई लोग अपनी जान गंवा चुके हैं. सो हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि एटलीस्ट हम अपनी हेल्थ का ख्याल रखें. एंड फॉर दैट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग, व्हाट वर्ड्स आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ योर माइंड. ओके, एंड दिस इज नॉट ओनली बिकॉज कि हम सिर्फ पेंडेमिक की बात कर रहे हैं, हम ओवरऑल हेल्थ की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, जैसे इफ समबडी हैज एस्थमा, okay, so they will always keep saying I have asthma, I have asthma, I have asthma. Okay, now the more you talk about it, you are making it as a part of your body. Okay, so you're making disease part of your body. Okay, and you are reaffirming it to your own self that you have it. Okay, so if let's say somebody has arthritis, then they'll keep on saying my knees don't work, my legs don't work, I have arthritis, I have arthritis, I have arthritis. Okay, the more you say it, the more it becomes your reality, the more painful process begins. Okay, so please have it in your mind that what are you talking. ओके, जितना आप ज़्यादा बोलोगे उतना ही वो आपका रियलिटी बनता जाएगा, उतना ही वो आपके शरीर का एक अंग बनता जाएगा. ओके, सो प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ व्हाट कम्स आउट ऑफ योर माइंड एंड व्हाट गोज इन योर ब्रेन एज वेल. दिमाग में भी क्या चलते जा रहा है. ओके, कॉन्स्टेंटली यू वुड बी लाइक आई हैव पेन, आई हैव पेन, आई हैव पेन, आई हैव पेन. Okay, I have pain in my legs, I have pain in my throat, I have pain in my eyes, this is what goes on and which does not allow you to heal faster, because we all want fast results. But ये नहीं हो सकता ना कि हमको फास्ट रिजल्ट्स भी चाहिए लेकिन हमको हीलिंग के बारे में सोचना भी नहीं है. ओके, एंड व्हेन पीपल वांट टू टेक हीलिंग्स और व्हेन पीपल आर टेकिंग हीलिंग्स और मेडिसिन, दे आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग एट द एस्पेक्ट्स दैट इज नॉट वर्किंग आउट फॉर देम. दे विल नॉट से कि ओके आई टुक दिस मेडिसिन एंड आई गॉट 10% रिकवरी. दे आर ऑलवेज फोकसिंग ऑन 90% दैट डिड नॉट वर्क. Alright, so please stop if you want to come out of your dis-ease. Okay, if you want to come out of that, you have to stop making it part of your reality. Okay, so please focus on the words that come out of your mouth. Now, a lot of people also say that I am fat, I am fat, I am fat. So fat is becoming your identity. Stop saying that if you want to get down on the weight. Okay, so don't make it your reality, even in the words or even in the thoughts. And that's how it becomes your vibration. So stop that. Now, how do we rephrase this whole situation? So the best thing that you can do is replace words like pain, replace it with sensation. So I have a sensation in my head. I have a sensation in my knees. I am healing from arthritis. I am healing from asthma. I am healing from headache. I have a sensation in my head because there was a time 1 year or 2 years back I used to have severe migraines. Okay, and I started replacing the word migraine with sensation. Okay, and I started saying to my body, okay, it's a sensation. Okay, it's a sensation and I am looking into it. Okay, so replace these words. Okay, never say that it is a pain. Say it's a sensation, it's a feeling. Okay, and if you are talking about a disease like diabetes, like arthritis, like cholesterol, say you are healing from it. If somebody asks you, how is your pain? Say, I'm healing from this. In response, always say these words that you are healing from it. You are recovering. And please stop asking people, how is your pain? If somebody is undergoing some pain, I understand that the intention behind is that you want to care about them. But always ask, how well are you recovering? Okay, so please phrase your words wisely. Stop making it as your identity. Diseases are not your identity. Universe sent you as a healthy baby. Okay, and universe wants you to leave this world as a healthy person. So stop saying that because of age you are having certain diseases. A lot of people I know, they talk like that because I am aging I am going through this. No, that's not right. I know because of age there are people who are in best of their health. Not even I am as good as their health. Okay, I know how healthy they are. So please don't make it your reality. Stop saying these words. Okay, accept that healing can also take place with you. Accept that your health can also be good. Accept that your legs can also be good. First, accept that fact. Okay, now as also one of the practices that I followed when I was undergoing through and I was healing my migraines. Okay, I started talking to my head, that fine, it is having a sensation right now. When I used to get headaches, so I used to say, fine, thank you for drawing my attention to you. Okay, so I was talking this to my headache. If you have a pain in your knees like arthritis, okay, you can always say, dear arthritis, thank you so much. I will take care of my knees now. Okay, I will release you. I will release arthritis. Okay, so start saying these words, start talking to your knees, okay, because even they are part of your body. They need your love, they need your golden touch. So caress your knees nicely and say, okay, I'm going to take care of, like this is your knees, okay, I'm going to take care of you. Thank you for bringing my attention. Probably I might have neglected you all these whiles. And keep doing this at least 5 minutes a day, and you'll see that the sensations will improve to a great extent. Okay, so use these little tricks to change your body, to change and accept that you will have a healthy body. Okay, your body is the ultimate healing mechanism. You don't need an outsider like medicine or something to intrude with your health. The body always has its self-healing mechanism. Okay, so allow your body that. Tell your body that you trust it. Okay, so in your mind, just say these affirmations that I trust my body. My body is healing from this. My body is having a sensation, but I will release that sensation. Okay, so whenever I used to have migraines, I used to say, I now release my migraines. I am ready to let go of this sensation. And slowly and steadily, that sensation was gone. So even in this pandemics, when people are getting COVID viruses or people are suffering from viruses, say they are healing from it. Do not say they have corona. Do not say they have COVID, okay? Just say they are healing from it. One of the most important thing as healers, I've seen that people circulate the photographs of people in the hospital bed with the ventilators on them, okay? They share it among their friends and relatives. Please do not do that. Okay, stop sharing such images, stop sharing it in your phone. You are attracting more of these situations. So if you want that person to heal, send happy pictures. Even as a healer, when people come to me for healings, they send these kind of pictures. The patient on the hospital bed and patient with the ventilators on, and they are asking for healing. Fine, I'm ready to give them healing. But the thing is, stop such pictures. Send happy pictures so that they can recover faster. Stop clicking such pictures. Okay? I'm sure people are concerned. People are just do a video call and just show the people, or if they are doing a video call, just do that call and delete it afterwards. Please do not have such kind of pictures in your phones. If you have, delete it right now. Please do not attract such kind of situations if you want others to recover. So, well, this was the little video that I wanted to make because I think this is the need of the hour. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know, comment here, like, subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestions for such videos, let me know. Take care, bye-bye.